Hi everyone, today I will show you how to add image to text. So let's drag a text inside the website. We will use heading. Let's add some styling to this heading. Let's give it 70 pixels and height 75 pixels, and let's center it. So to add an image to text, first we need to add a background image of this text. So we go to backgrounds and we click image and gradient, and we choose type image, click choose image, and now you choose image which one you want. I already have here some images, so I will choose one. Let's say this image, and now click size cover and click position center, and that's it. And now what you need to do to put this image inside a text is you go to clipping and you go clip background to text, and that's it. Now you have an image inside a text.